Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video I will show you how to fix laptop touchpad not working on your Windows. So for this guys, first method, enable the touchpad. Use the dedicated function key to enable the touchpad. Some laptop models have the F7 key and some have F2 key. If pressing the key does not work, press it along with the function key. Hopefully guys, this will fix your problem. The second method, reinstall the touchpad driver. And the third method, right click on this PC icon and select the properties. Now click on system protection and here click on system restore. Click on next and complete the process. After this, must and should restart your device. So hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.